Hello viewers, we'll be going over JNUG and JDST, and in this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability models. So let's start off with the technical analysis. On Friday, JNUG closed down 1.4% on the 1-hour chart. What we have here is we are starting to slowly approach to positive MACD after converging on Friday afternoon, after we were near oversold on the RSI. If we extend that further onto the 4-hour chart, we are seeing that we have now approached to negative MACD and broke through the 200 moving average, this green line. So there is downward momentum. As for the daily chart, what we have here is for the daily MACD, we see slight signs of it converging, still in positive MACD, but there is still signs that downward pressure is still intact as the 9 and 18 moving averages diverge onto the 50 moving average, which is acting as our temporary support at the moment, and that is around the price of $145.33. So let's zoom in a bit closer. For the trade idea of the week, my entry for my long position on JNUG will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be around $126.19. That is fairly close to where we encountered resistance that dated back to July 9th. And since we're above resistance, that now acts as support. And my sell target will be $157.29, and my stop loss will be $116.41. For the trade day-by-day probability model for JNUG, as we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 57% chance for it to climb between 0 to 8.5%. And to the downside, we have a 14% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 8.5%. And on the extreme case, to the downside, a 29% chance for it to fall between negative 8.5% to negative 17%. These models are available in the link below, so do check it out. So as for JDST, if we zoom in, on Friday closed up 1.4% on the 1-hour chart. We see that it's beginning to see a slight divergence, still in positive MACD after being near overbought on Friday morning on the RSI. As for the 4-hour chart, we are slowly encountering the 200 moving average resistance, and we have now approached to positive MACD. We also see the 9 and 18 moving averages converge onto the 150 moving averages. So for the daily chart, what we have here is we are starting to make higher lows compared to what we saw back in August 5th. So there is a slight signs of reversal for JDST. So for the trade idea, let's zoom into the 4-hour chart. What we have here is my trade idea. My entry will be around $9.24 for JDST. That is around this range, fairly close to where we encounter all-time lows. And my sell target will be $11.31, fairly close to where we encounter the 200 moving average, this green line. And my stop loss will be $8.70, around this range. So as for the day-by-day probability model for JDST, what we have here is if we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 6-7% chance for it to climb between 0 to 16%. And to the downside, on the extreme case, a 33% chance for it to fall between negative 16% to negative 32%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.